What Ron mentioned is so important, and I want to share this point with you. Is look at the people who are persisting. I say 50% of your competitors or people who are trying to do what you're trying to do, getting the visibility, building the business, building the brand, coaching, doing whatever. 50% of them who are starting, they would give up within 6 months. Within 6 months, they will give up. So you're already ahead of 50% of the crowd by just persisting and doing what you're doing. You don't even have to be outstanding. All you have to do is just show up every day. By just showing up, you're already beating 50% of them. The next 25% would give up in next 6 months. So if you persist for 1 year, you're ahead of 75% of the people who want to do what you're planning to do by just showing up. Then only 20% remaining. And of the next 25% remaining, I would say about 15% would give up in next 6 to 8 months. Then you're left with only 5 to 10% of the cream people, and you, by just being persistent and evolving, continuing to do what you're doing and fine-tuning what you've learned, you automatically in the top 5% of the industry. And that's what has happened to me in just 2 years. Most of the people who started, I remember 2016, I attended one of the workshop on how to become an author. Guess how many people have become author? Out of all the people, how many people have become best-selling author? Out of all the best-selling authors, how many become the coach and mentors who are charging lakhs and making crores? How many? Hardly handful. I don't even know, 1 or 2 people who started along with me still there in the race. And if people are in the race, now they're looking up to me. That, wow, look what you've done. Some people even reached out to me, hey, we met in 2016 in this workshop. And I see what they're doing. They're still in the job. They're not even written the book. This is the way how you can just win and grow faster than anybody.